all are good and safe. Today I am going to start chapter 7, subtraction within 99. Okay, so what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Okay, so children, I will give you example. Look at this. How many chilies are my hand? Yes, I have 5 chilies. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so if I take away 2 chilies, so how many chilies are left in my hand? Yes, that is 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear, students? Now children, I will explain term used in subtraction. Look at this board. Before explain terms used in subtraction, we should know what is the symbol of subtraction. Yes, the symbol of subtraction is, children, the symbol of subtraction is, so children, what is the symbol of subtraction? Look at this. This is the symbol of subtraction. Okay. So children, look at this term used in subtraction. Okay. Look at this example. 12 minus 5. Okay. So children, look at this number. 1 to 12. So first number is 2 is in which place? 2 is in 1's place. Okay. And 1 is in 10's place. So firstly we will subtract 1's place or a 10's place. Okay, no, we will subtract together. Why? Because 5 is a smaller number and 12 is a greater number. Okay, so 2 is a smaller number and 5 is a greater number. So we can't subtract. So that's why we will these 2-digit numbers all together. Okay, so 12 minus 5. Firstly we will draw some sticks. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here is 5. So we will cut 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we get 7. Here student, now look at this. 12 is a minuend. We can say minuend. 12 is a minuend. 5 is a subtrahend. 5 is a subtrahend. Okay, and 7 is a difference. Look at this. 12 is a minuend, 5 is a subtrahend and 7 is a difference. Clear, students? So now we will go to different terminology that implies subtraction. Look at this. Taken away, left, taken away, left, how many more than, how many more are needed, remained, given away. So children, these are the terminology that implies subtraction. So we can use this type of terminology in subtraction. Clear, students? My dear children, we learn properties of subtraction. Now look at this first property. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. Again, I will repeat this. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. It means when we subtract 0 from any number, okay children, any number, So we get the answer is the same number. Let us subtract these numbers. Okay. Look at this example. Example first, 18 minus 0. First of all, look at this. 8 is in which place? 8 is in 1's place. And 1 is in 10's place. So firstly, we will subtract 1's place value. 8 minus 0, we get the same answer. Look at this, we get the same answer. So answer is 8. Clear children? Now look at this is a 1. So here there is no number. So we will bring down this same number, that is 1. Clear? So we get the answer 18. 18 minus 0, 18. Clear? Now second example, look at this, 83 minus 0. So children, 83 minus 0. So first 3 is in which place? 3 is in 1's place. 8 is in which place? 8 is in 10's place. Clear? Now first we will subtract 1's place value. 3 minus 0, we get the same number, that is 3. Now 8. Look at this. This place, here is no number. So we will bring down the same number. 8. 83 minus 0. Okay. So children, we get the same answer. Okay. We can say 83 is a difference. 18 is a difference. Now we will look. Now children, let's discuss second property. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before the given number. I will repeat this. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before the given number. Children, when we subtract 1 from any number, okay, so we get the number just before. We get the number just before, okay, it means predecessor. So now we will, children, I will explain the examples, okay. First look at this, 2 is in which place? 2 is in 1's place. And this one, 2 is in 10's place. First we will subtract 1's place values. 2 minus 1, we get 1. Okay, look at this finger. 2 minus 1. If I take away one finger, okay, so we get the 1. So here is answer 1 and 2. So look at this, here is no number. So we will bring down this number here. So we get the answer 21. Okay. Now look at this, another example. 8 is in 1's place, 7 is in 10's place. Now we will subtract 1's place value. 8 minus 1, we get 7. And here is 7, here is no number. So 77. So we get the answer 77. Now look at this third property. When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. Children, when we subtract any number from itself, okay, so we get, look at this example, 3 minus 3. Before subtract 3 minus 3, we will put down the values. 3 is in 1's place, 3 is in 10's place. Clear? Now we will subtract 1's place values. 3. So children, look at this, 3 is in 1's place and this 3 is in 10's place. So 3 minus 3, we get 0. Okay? And look at this, 3 minus 3, we get 0. Okay? So children, the same number we get this, So children, 33 minus 33, we get 0. Okay? We get we can write single zero or we can write double zero. Okay. Now look at this another example. 79 minus 79. 9 is in ones place and 7 is in tens place. 9 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place. So we will subtract ones place values. 9 minus 9 we get 0. Here 7 minus 7 we get 0. Okay. So children, now I will explain fourth property. Children, fourth property in subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracting is important. I will repeat this. In subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracting is important. It means any subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracting is very important. Clear? Now look at this example. 85 minus 43. And another is 43 minus 83. Okay. So children, look at these figures. Look at these digits. These are not the same. Okay. We will subtract greater number to smaller number. But we can't subtract smaller number to greater number. So it is not equal. It is not equal. Okay. So these two digits are, okay, these two numbers are not equal. We do not get the same answer. Let's solve this question. 5 minus 3. Firstly we will write 5 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place. So 5 minus 3 we get 2. 8 minus 4 we get 4. So we get the answer 42. But now look at this children. This is 43, this is 83. So we can't solve this now. If we subtract 3 minus 3 we can. But 4 is the smaller, 8 is the greater. So we can't subtract. Okay. So children, we should know the order is very important in a subtraction. Clear? Understood children? Thank you. Yes. Thank you students. Stay safe. Keep learning.